Hello. I am going to be demonstrating how to push my homework to GitHub. First thing I'm going to do is cd into my desktop and then cd into the folder that Prominio gave us for homework. And then cd into the week 1 folder. And then in the week 1 folder, I want to make a directory, which is mkdir. I'm going to name it homework 1. I'm going to cd into homework 1. And then from there, now that I have everything created that I need to create, I'm going to create a new repository on GitHub. Going to name it the same thing that I named my file that I just created. And the description will be week 1 homework. We're not going to add a readme. We're going to do that on command prompt with the echo command. See? All right. And I can literally just copy and paste all of these directly into it, which is super handy. All right. Echo just created the README in my file, and now I'm going to initialize that file. So homework 1 is initialized. Now I can check the status. Oh, whoop, I can check git status. My bad. So the README in red just means that it needs to be committed. So the next thing I'm going to do is add it. So git add, I'm just going to put a period because it'll add everything in there to it instead of just the single file, which I prefer. And then I'm going to commit it, git commit, and we'll put a little note on there just designating, telling me what it is. And then we're going to initialize the branch. All right. Okay. And then git remote is just opposed to local. Local is usually a closed circuit, and remote means you're pushing it somewhere. Oh, right, command prompt. All right. You get status again, just see where we're at. Nice. We're looking good. So now we want to push this to GitHub. Takes a second, and then it gives me all this information, which is just all of the minutia having to do with my file. Okay. Now, if I refresh, here's my repository that I just pushed. So now if we want, we can look at it on my desktop. Go into the Prominio file. Whoop. Week 1, there's my file that I created. There's my README. Now, if we want, can add a text document, call it Krishnak. That's my username password, or my username. It's an orc from Lord of the Rings. My name is an orc from LOTR. And we'll save that. Okay. Now that I added a file, when I come in here, I do git status. It says that I need to add the text file that I just created. So I'm going to do git add period and git commit second commit. All right. Now we can do git status. It says my working tree is clean. So now git push, and that should push my text file that I just created. into my repository. So let's refresh this just to see. All right, there it is. Thank you so much. This has been amazing. I hope you have a great day.